Hi guys, welcome back to Karma Lately. This is my brand JKDolls. I've been so busy I haven't had time to update you, so I'm gonna do it in 60 seconds. Here's what you missed. Since my last video promo for my dolls, I got plenty of Christmas orders. One of them included this dog that I made from scratch, which was super fun. A friend of mine suggested that I could take better pictures of my dolls if I invested in a light box. I never even heard of a light box, but I decided to make my own. Doing a little bit of research. I'm gonna show you how I did that in my next YouTube video. I've also been making these plush elephant and unicorn dolls, both posable, obviously. My classic personalized dolls have been improving as well. More on that in a couple of seconds, literally. By the way, these pictures that I've taken here are with my handmade light box. You can tell the difference. Anyways, all the dolls have been hand stitched until now. For Christmas, I received a computerized sewing machine, and so now all of my dolls are gonna receive a big fat upgrade, including those doll booties. So stay tuned for more on my YouTube channel. Check out Karma Lately for more on JK Dolls. Peace.